my name is Tanya, and in this video I will be making these super popular gummy food. I think it's so cute and it looks really fun to make, so I bought one of these at Daiso, ramen kit, and it looks like this. I thought it was super adorable. It comes with like a little ramen, and then this is mango pudding, some dumplings, and some spring rolls. This is the back of the box right here, and I feel like this is going to be so much fun to make. As for the taste, I do not know. I've never had any of these, and I just think they're so much fun, and you guys are just going to see if I fail or succeed with this and how it's gonna taste. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys like it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that like button, and get to making this cute food. You haven't seen these, Liz?
You haven't seen them either.
Yeah, I know. But I figured she's more like knowledgeable than I am. What?
It's disgusting.
Alright. So here I have my dough powder, my noodle powder, soup powder. Don't know what this is, but it's a red and it says ingredients. This is for the mango pudding powder. And then I have a toothpick, a little fork, baggie, and the molds. So, oh, and then this little cup. Begin by cutting apart the tray. Don't know.
We have extra pieces.
I will be making the mango pudding first, which is this little cup right here. And it says add water to the cup until it is half full. Add powder from the orange packet and mix. It will become firm in 10 minutes. Okay, so, oh no, not this one. This one. This one's orange. That one was yellow. Okay, mango pudding. So, add water to the cup until it is half full. Ooh, perfect. I'm going to add the powder. And mix it. Oh!
Smells like orange soda.
To make the ramen toppings. So I believe these are the ramen toppings right here, and it says pour water up to the line in the tray.
We stuck. We stuck.
Wait, what? Wrong tray. Okay. So it says pour water up to the line of the tray. So I see a line right here. And then it says add powder from the blue packet right here and mix until thick. So tear off 2 pieces of the dough and fill the Naruto egg molds here. So this is the 2 molds that I'm going to do. Alright, so I already made the toppings right here, the boiled egg and the Naruto, and then I'm going to make some dumplings. So I'm going to take a little bit of this dough and I'm going to grab it and make it into a circle, and I'm going to place it on here. I'm going to take my ingredients, which are in the red packet, and I'm going to take my dumpling mold that I attempted to do. I just made like a little circle, and I'm going to place the ingredients as well right here, just like that. And then I'm going to roll it And then I'm going to press this together, and it's supposed to make my dumpling. Press the sides to attach. Okay. Oh! And here we have my dumpling. Now I'm going to take the soup powder and I'm going to pour it in here. And this is for my soup. One is for the noodles. And these ones smell a little funky. I'm not sure what they smell like, but they kind of smell like a flat soda. So, it actually really looks like soup. Okay. This one's supposed to be thicker, so I'm just going to mix. And these are my noodles. I'm gonna take my little baggie and the toothpick that it came with, and it says to just pierce through this corner for my noodles. Just like that, and then I'm going to pour the mixture inside. And squeeze the mixture into the brown liquid and squeeze some of the mixture into the egg. Okay, so I do have my egg right here, as you guys could see. I'll make the noodles, or so attempt to make them. Let's see if they come out. They are coming out. I don't know if you guys could see this, but oh my gosh. Oh, it's coming out through the top. And that's why they said to tie it at the top, because this is gonna happen. So with my ingredients, I actually used the red ones to make the little swirl, just like in the picture. And then I'm going to grab some of the ingredients and put some in my soup. Just like that. And then I'm going to take my egg and put it at the top. Ooh. And then I'm going to take my Naruto and also place it at the top. Just like that. And then I'm going to turn over. Alright, so here is my meal. I just kind of cut out the bag that it came with, and this is my plate. So I have my 2 dumplings, my spring rolls, my mango, mango pudding, and then I have my ramen, which looks so cute. So here is the meal up close. I think my favorite has to be the ramen. It looks so real. I just think it's really identical to how it's supposed to look like. And then these guys kind of look like it, but I feel like they could be a lot cuter. And this one we had a little bit of trouble with, but overall it at least looks intact. So now I'm going to taste it. I'm going to try. Okay, which one do you want to try?
The mango.
The mango? Okay.
The mango pudding.
This one looks like the safest one, so I'm going to take my fork and cut it in half so we can try it at the same time. Okay. Okay. Ready? Go. You put the whole thing in your mouth?
Oh, that's good.
This one tastes really good. It kind of tastes
really
like
good.
mango passion fruit or something, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Like the boba, the mango boba.
That one's super, super good. I just wish it was maybe harder. It was a little squishy. Okay.
Which one was the
dumplings, yeah. Here, you can have the one with more ingredients. Okay.
The one you dropped on the floor?
No, I didn't drop any on the floor. Okay. Oh.
Oh. Oh, that's sour.
Oh, it's the ingredients. Oh, they are sour.
Super sour.
They like get you really bad with
Yeah.
it. Oh my god. Okay. This one's gonna taste the same.
Is it? Oh, it's the same thing?
It's the yeah.
Yeah.
I put a lot on this one. A lot. Okay.
They're super sour.
They're good though. Okay, this is gonna be nasty. I just know it. Try it first, and I'm gonna try the Naruto. Oh my gosh! Look. Okay. It does taste like soda. I don't know. The Naruto tastes good.
You can't grab it.
He's eating the hard-boiled egg.
That's not that bad.
Right? Okay.
It tastes like the soda candies.
Yeah, that's what I told you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. So this was not that bad. Our meal for two was actually successful, and I was really scared, but I would give this one like a 7 out of 10. What about you?
6
A
out of
6
10.
out of 10? Only because they were sour or what?
Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. So.
They are super sour, so be careful with the ingredients. But overall, I think it was very fun. It took me
45 minutes.
45 minutes? Yeah, 45 minutes to make this meal. So maybe I'll try some more, some different ones. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.